lovely OT, it's your girl Nancy. I'm back again with another video. Now this video, I am going to tell you guys what I usually store in my work fanny bag. So usually I put this on at work. It comes in a clip thingy. So I put it around my waist like so. And I walk around with it at work, and I have everything that I need in here. Kind of looks a little crappy because it's old, and so excuse that. Now, I'm going to show you guys what I usually keep in here. I always have my phone in here because I usually get text messages about work at work when different things happen. So I usually have my phone in here, but I can't show you guys because I'm filming on my phone. So yes. Now, so let's go ahead and I'll show you guys what I have in here. So I have my pulse ox in here. And this is what I usually use to check my patients' oxygen levels and also their heart rate, their pulse. Okay, so this is very, very handy. You can find this on Amazon. That is where I got this one from. And I also have my gait belt here with me. Now with this gait belt, isn't it pretty? It's so cute. My clinical instructor got me this one when I was doing my clinicals, and I love it so much because it has my name on it and it's just so cute. But anyway, usually if I don't have this in my bag, I usually have it around my waist just in case I need to transfer a patient and I need to the gait belt to do so. All right, let's see what else is in here. So I also have my blood pressure cuff in here as well in the little bag because I don't want to get it all dirty. And I actually just ordered this one from Amazon because I had one before this one, and someone stole it. And so yes, be careful with your stuff, with your supplies when you are working because people have sticky fingers. But anyway, so I have this just in case I need to check blood pressure. It also checks your pulse as well. And so this is very, very, very handy. Like, you need one of these in your little bag when you are at work. Now, other stuff that I have in here that are essential, of course, I have a tape measure in here. Just in case. I got this from work. My job kind of gave this out, so I just keep it in my bag just in case I need a tape measure for any reason. Measuring anything, I have that in hand. I also, of course, always have a hand sanitizer in here just in case my hands get all nasty. I need something to quickly kind of get it back into norm. So I have a hand sanitizer in here. I also have my pen. I have a lot of pens in here. And these pens kind of come with a stylus. The stylus tip only because I use that on my iPad. And I also usually have an iPad with me at work because that's what I use for my documentation and my clocking, start time, stop time, and stuff like that. But I don't have the iPad here, of course. It's at work, so I usually have that with me as well. And I always have a bunch of black pens because that's the only color that we use to write orders and stuff like that. So black, always have a couple of black pens. I feel like I go through pens like crazy. Like, I'm always missing my pens. So just have a lot of backups just in case you need them. And other things that I have in here is my chapstick, you know, for them dry lips when you're working. You know, you put a little thing on there to make your lips nice and juicy. Nobody like cracked lips, so okay, that's why I have that. And I also have in here, I have my little makeup sponge in here because I'm an oily girl, and I usually get oily just from working and up and down the steps and all of that stuff. So I usually have a little puff in here for the girls. And you can also get this from Amazon. Yeah, it's dirty, I know. And I usually just get my T-zones all back to matte. So yes, this is really handy. Another thing that I have in here is a little lotion for my cracked hands when I need it. Okay, and I always have some kind of candy or mint or gum or something like that in here because why not, just in case. Okay. And the last thing that I have in here that's kind of also awesome is that I have a goniometer in here just in case I need to measure some range of motion of my patients or anything like that. And it's cute it's small enough that it can fit in here, which is perfect. I know there's a big one for like the big measurements and stuff like that, but this one kind of worked for what it can do, and whatever I can measure, I could just, you know, get the big one or get the finger one or whatever. But I usually just have this in here just in case I need it. Yeah, so that was all the stuff that I have in my fanny pack. So these are very handy. These are very handy. I think that if you work in the healthcare field, and especially if you work in a building like my building where we have 4 floors and I have to keep going up and down and all of that stuff, it's always a good idea to have certain things in hand just in case. Sometimes I also put some gloves in here just in case I need a glove real quick and I can't find some nearby. So sometimes I put some gloves in there. Yeah, so that is it. If you want to put like a timer in here, you can too, but I usually have my watch with me at work, so I usually use my watch or my phone for like a timer if I needed to time someone standing or whatever the case may be. So those are also very important to have. So apart from that, that's basically it. If you guys put other stuff in your fanny pack or your bag or whatever that you use at work that I didn't mention, just go ahead and comment it down below so that I can add it to my bag. So yeah, add it down below. And yeah, that was it. So thank you guys so much for watching my channel, and make sure that you come back every Sunday for a new video. And yeah, thank you guys so much. Subscribe, like, comment, and follow me on Lovely OTS on Instagram. And I think that was it. All right, thank you guys so much. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.